Down there.
No. They are hungry.
Can we go down?
They're waiting for us.
Yeah,
Oh,
the mouth was open. How come?
look at.
Very big. Ayun, that one. No?
Have so many crocodiles everywhere.
So when you don't know their life or
Yeah.
death.
Yes.
So when they're in the river, they're like this. You don't know. It looks like a log,
Sleeping, yeah.
no? Fallen timber,
Yeah.
wood. It's like wood, you know.
Yeah.
Crocodile, see
That's why some people, if you live in Ireland, you don't know that there was a crocodile because like a wood,
like a wood,
like a tree.
like a tree. See?
That's why some people make it they don't know they clean.
Tinan mo te, oh. Di niya na makaya yung sarili niya. Ay, putol yung isang kamay niya.
Oo nga. Maybe they eat.
Hi! Hi, Lakos. Lakos.
Lolo. That was in Philippines, Lolo. They already dead. The big one.
Yeah.
See? How come when you...
Homesick because of homesick. Lolong is homesick.
Parang mga laruan lang, ano? I can't believe it. Oh my God. They look like
Tama. Oh, sapin-sapin sila, oh.
Ayun,
Nag-aaway
sila.
na.
They fighting, You see? You need to open.
Ay!
Why?
Gutom siya.
Kaya mainit ang ulo.
Ayun, tinan mo, oh. Nakanganga.
See? He is very hungry, that's why. Higit, nakakatakot talaga.
Nakakatakot.
Ito yung mukhang halimaw na itong isa na to sa tanda.
Tinan mo tayo. Ano kilas?
Laling nakanganga.
Kaya nga eh.
Pag nangawit na...
Permes. Ah, hindi ba siya nangangawit? Yun nga gusto kong itanong eh. Kung nangangawit ba sila?
My God. How come if you fall down?
Ayun mo.